Welcome to Aadhyaan's world. Today we are going to do exploring the density of liquids. Let's start now. I got a tumbler. I'm going to pour this water into the tumbler. I have some oil. I'm going to pour gently in the cup. Wow! Do you know why it's floating? Because oil is lighter than water. Next I have some food coloring. I'm going to add few drops. That's enough. Next, what happened? Next, I have some salt. I'm going to sprinkle on the drops. Do you know what's happening? The food coloring is going down. Actually, let's add some more. The food color gets stuck in the oil. Then, after we add salt on top of the food color, it goes down and get mixed in the water.